Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to change startup programs in Windows 10. We are going to use CCleaner app in this video. Let's go. Open a web browser, paste a link you can find in the description box down below. Open the web page. Scroll down and click on the first link under Download From to save the app. Click on Download Now in the new tab. Set the path and save the file. Open the installation file. Click on Install in the new window. Wait until it's done. Click on Run CCleaner. It will open a tab in your browser. Close it. Go back to the app. Click on No in the pop-up window. Select Tools from the left side menu. Click on Startup. Resize the window if needed. Click on the app you want to shut down from a startup list and then click on Disable. If you want to remove the app and click on Delete, you can do the same for the Scheduled Tasks tab and Context menu. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.